The winner is...
Number 3!
Oh, great. Well, what do I win?
Nothing! Now get out!
Well...
Get out!
No, I'm just kidding.
Hey!
My name is
Alexander.
Sammy Finn.
Let me tell you all about how America got flipped turned upside down.
I see what you did there.
It's very subtle.
That's why the people of this world
Believe in
Donald! Daisy! Pluto! Mickey!
and I'm Schaffrillas.
Well, I said I never really got into Beauty and the Beast, and I always sort of thought, it really blows. The movie Shark Tale, I think, is one of the greatest... God, I don't even want to say Disney films, just films in general. The main character is perfect, the villain is perfect, the romance is perfect, the songs are perfect. Even the design of the fish, look at that thing!